In this video, we are going to solve a question on addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, the question says we should find the matrix C if A plus C is equal to B, and we have been given the matrix A and the matrix B. Okay, so let's have solution. Okay, so we have been given an equation A plus C is equal to B, and we are told to find C. So under normal circumstances, to make C the subject of the formula from this equation, we need to send A this way. So we are going to have C equal to B minus A. So that is basically all, because here we are just looking for C. We are just finding C. So we have to make C the subject of the formula. We have to solve for C. So that is why we are sending A this other way, and the sign changes to minus. So C is B minus A. But we have been given the matrices. Yes, we know that we know that C is B minus A. But we are told to find the matrix C. So now we know B and A. So we are just going to simply subtract the matrix A from the matrix B to have our matrix C. So C now is our matrix B, which is minus 1, 3, minus 2, minus 5, 2, 4, 8, 7, minus 6. Now minus our matrix A, which is 2, 5, 6, minus 1, 4, minus 5, 3, 1, minus 2. So here we are just going to simply subtract these two matrices, and from there we are going to find what our C is. So C now this is matrix subtraction. So to subtract two matrices, we need to subtract corresponding elements in each matrix. So minus 1 and 2 are corresponding elements. 3 and 5 are corresponding elements. Minus 2 and 6 are corresponding elements. Minus 5 and minus 1 are corresponding elements. 2 and 4 are corresponding elements. 4 and minus 5 are corresponding elements. 8 and 3 are corresponding elements. 7 and 1 are corresponding elements. And minus 6 and minus 2 are corresponding elements. So we can subtract. So we have minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus 5, minus 2 minus 6, minus 5 minus 1, 2 minus 4, 4 minus 5, 8 minus 3, 7 minus 1, and minus 6 minus 2. So this is it. Now we need to simplify. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Minus 5 minus 1, that is simply minus 5 plus 1. So that gives minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 4 minus 5 is 4 plus 5, which gives 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. And minus 6 minus 2 is minus 6 plus 2, which is minus 4. and this is our matrix C. Okay, so if you are given something like this, like in the form of an equation, you make what you are looking for the subject and then you substitute the matrices. So that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.